Let's do this. Let's check out the main living area. Look at this beauty. Wow, I'm seeing a really nice kitchen there. I believe this is a really nice floor plan. Wow, they've used really elegant furniture too. Look at your TV there. This is huge. Wow, this is a really nice open area. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's quite windy here and cloudy here in Las Vegas. We need that rain here in Las Vegas so that we can get the water in Lake Mead. But today we're gonna tour this beautiful home by KB Homes in Southwest Las Vegas. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to invite you to subscribe down below and like this video and share this video. Also, if you have missed my videos, check the channel page. There's a lot of videos that I have already posted there. All right, let's take a tour together of this beautiful home. All right guys, it is raining here in Southwest Las Vegas, but that wouldn't stop me from filming this home. KB Homes, guys, they have a total of 300 lots, and they have also been releasing 8 lots every 2 weeks. There are available 8 lots right now, so if you wanted to grab this opportunity, please comment down below. All right, let's check this out. Knock knock. Okay, 2,124 square feet. Wow, it smells good. You know, I always like the smell of a new home. Okay, let's try going on this side first. See what's happening. Look at your smart system there. And this is the garage. They left it closed so we cannot go inside. This is a full bathroom here. I believe this is for the first floor bedroom. Nice counter there. Hello guys. You can definitely upgrade that into a nice styling. Look at this gray color, guys. These are nice grains. I love it. I like the grains. Okay guys, this is what I like. Look at this first floor bedroom. Really appreciate if there is a first floor bedroom, and the reason being is that if you have a guest or an in-law that cannot go upstairs, they can definitely stay on this room. As you can see guys, the wind is super strong outside, right? But it's still a beautiful day today. A while ago in Las Vegas, we actually need some rain, so that's good. All right, that is your closet area. Look at that. All right, I am super excited to see what's happening in the main area. All right, are you ready guys to see it? Let's do this. Let's check out the main living area. Look at this beauty. Wow, I'm seeing a really nice kitchen there. I believe this is a really nice floor plan. Wow, they've used really elegant furniture too. Look at your TV there. This is huge. Wow, this is a really nice open area. And lots of recessed lighting there. All right, I can't wait to go on each corner of this home so I can show you guys how open it is. 2,124 square feet. Wow, I love this home. It's very elegant. And the use of the tiling makes it also really nice. Look at that white kitchen there. And that seating arrangement there. And this is a beautiful setup here, guys. Let's check out this nice kitchen. Look at this grains. Love it. They're just missing the backsplash, but definitely if you do that later, you can actually hire someone and they can probably put you between $500 to $1,000 for a really nice backsplash. Right, this is your kitchen, guys. This might be 42 inches because it's pretty tall. But look at the grain of this counter. Comment down below, guys, if you like this kind of grain of countertop. I just wanted to have a feeling of what is your favorite countertop color. Right, and also I love when there is this waterfall feature. And this is, guys, I just wanted to tell you, this is a very wide difference of space, meaning it's very convenient to walk around. Probably 3 people can walk simultaneously here. It's very wide. That's what I like about a kitchen, when the spaces are wider than normal. This is your kitchen, guys. Really nice kitchen. Love, love, love this. And I think it's because of the use of the furniture too. Sometimes when you're using really nice furniture, it makes a lot of difference. Staging, guys, really makes a lot of difference. It's a beautiful home. I really like this green. Okay, let's see if we can go out because it's really windy, guys, but I really wanted to show you the outside. So we can try. Ooh, love this roof here, guys. So don't be disappointed. Ooh, this is a very, very windy situation here. Guys, don't be disappointed about this size of lot because you can upgrade this by $10,000 maximum to achieve your swimming pool size lot. So this is just an example, guys, but don't be disappointed that this is only the lot that you can get. They have lot premium, and actually the builder actually told me they can negotiate right now, right? Because as you can see, guys, the market is quite shifting. That a lot of the prices right now of resale homes are dropping. So when I asked the builder, they said it doesn't hurt to negotiate with them. And they know that interest rates are super high right now, so they are back to negotiation table. And there's no waiting list because there are available 8 lots right now if you want to start building a home here in Southwest Las Vegas. Look at your living room situation here. I really like seeing this room for some reason. All right, this is your pantry, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, it is. Look at this, guys. They have stored food here as if it's someone is already living. And what is this? Let's check it out. Ooh, this is a nice one. You have a coat closet here. I'm gonna go all the way here, guys, because I wanted to show everything to you. I don't want to miss any section of the house. Right? This is a nice storage area. All right, let's go upstairs to see what's happening. I have a high expectation on the staging of the second floor because the first floor was really staged very well. So I'm really expecting a really nice staging of the second floor. Again, guys, you can upgrade this to a hardwood or vinyl plank. I knew it. This staging is really good here. Look at your loft area. It looks like the one who staged this is staging it as a fabulous Las Vegas style. Because I can see sparkles of different metals like gold, silver, and then white and black. And then this high gloss furniture here. So yeah, I believe this was staged to make it more of a Las Vegas fabulous concept. And I don't know what this is, but it looks to me it's a storage area for your kids' play games, right? Or toys. Okay, so this is your loft area. Let's check out what's happening on this side. There's a laundry area here. Yes, it is. It's a laundry area, guys. So that's your laundry area. Okay, let's go on this side. Okay, so they staged this as an office, but definitely this is a one bedroom because there is a closet there, right? This is their closet. It's a walk-in closet. And then this is your bedroom, which is currently staged as an office. All right, let's go to the other side and see what's happening on this one. Look at this. They really staged this very well. They still have that wall paneling there, meaning wall design. Large window here. You have a view of the mountain here, guys. You're surrounded with mountains in the south area of Las Vegas here. All right, so this is your secondary bedroom. Let's see what's happening on the full bathroom there. Look, guys. Look at this. Nice flooring, cabinetry, counter, right? The design of this one is pretty standard, but you can definitely upgrade this to a walk-in shower and nice styling there. Right, that's your full bathroom shared by these two bedrooms here. And let's go on this side. What's happening here? I believe this is a linen closet. Yes, it is. Appreciate that there are linen closets. Look at your staging here. Your owner's bedroom looks fabulous here, guys. Right? They use really a very high elegant, even like this bed frame here looks fabulous too. So yes, they staged this like you are living the Las Vegas fabulous way. And this is your closet area. I wonder if there's another one. This looks a little small for me, or it's probably because of their square footage. But yeah, it looks a little small on the side. So comment down below if this particular closet is good for you guys. All right, so this is your owner's bedroom. Let's see what's happening on the owner's bathroom. All right, yes, I'm seeing a really nice walk-in shower. And then they use the quartz for the tile. But definitely you can use like different colors of tiles. It's up to you guys. I want you to spend money. Just kidding. I just wanted to let you know you have options to upgrade this to a much colorful tile or much more elegant tile if you want. Look, guys. And then of course you get this 2 sink here with nice cabinetry. And this is your toilet area. Okay, it's good that it's raining outside. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's raining outside. This is much appreciated rain, guys, because we want to make sure the level of Lake Mead is going to be up. And this is another closet area for your linen. Someone asked me if I'm afraid about running out of water here in Vegas. I am not really concerned as of this point, meaning I'm not like something where I needed to go and move out of Vegas because of the water running out, because there are emergency drought plan that they've already made that will help us get through this drought situation in the future. So if you want, I can do a video related to the plan of the Las Vegas community and government on how they can achieve or prevent the water from running out. Let's go down and go back to the main area. Again, guys, this builder here said that you can definitely negotiate, right? There is some room for negotiation right now. And this is again your main living area. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'd like to hear from you guys. What do you think of this model home and the layout? It will be appreciated if you can comment down below. And also, thank you so much for subscribing, liking this video, and share this video to the people that you might know might be interested in this kind of home. And I wanted to see you guys in the next video, which will be tomorrow. So have a great day and see you tomorrow.